Candlestick graphs are a popular way to visualize price changes in stocks or crypto over a specific period of time. Each individual candle tells you 4 specific pieces of information about how a price moved during a single trading session. You get the opening price, the closing price, and the highest and lowest points reached during the session. The body colors tell you if the price ended higher or lower than where it started, while the wicks show the extremes. While line graphs are great for seeing a simple trend, candlesticks reveal the actual volatility that occurred within each time frame. The size of the candle body and the length of the wicks help investors see how much indecision or strength is in the market. Remember that while these charts provide deep detail, they are just one tool and not a crystal ball for future performance. Thanks for watching. Understanding chart basics is a great step toward financial literacy. Please consult a professional for personalized advice.